Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making Ghana pancake, or what the French call crepes. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. We are going to be using the following ingredients for today's recipe. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. But we start off by mixing our wet ingredients. So starting with our egg, we'll pour it in a mixing bowl, and then we add our evaporated milk, and also we'll mix it together to make sure they are well combined here. And then we'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Also, the melted butter, what was left, I've set it aside for our frying. We are going to add half a cup of water, but we don't want anything to go waste here, so I pour the water into our milk bowl so that we just rinse the bowl and pour it into our mixing bowl, and then we'll mix everything together. Once they are well incorporated, we'll set it aside and start with mixing our dry ingredients. So we'll add a pinch of salt, nutmeg and sugar to our flour, and then we would mix everything together. Once we are done mixing our dry ingredients, then we'll combine the two. You get it? So to make sure you do not form a lump, you mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients gradually. Now this one is the long process. If you want the simplest form, pour all your wet ingredients into a blender, add your dry ingredients and blend for about 30 seconds or a minute, and you get this smooth paste. Now we are adding our vanilla essence. So you either mix it like this or you go with a blender style. Both works regardless. Now our leftover melted butter, we'll just grease it with our frying pan. So to make sure I get even pancakes, I'm using my measuring cup, so half a cup for each fry. That's what I'm doing here. Once you pour it into your frying pan, you just make sure you lower the heat so it doesn't get burnt. And then once the top, you see when you pour it, it looks white, but when it all turns yellow like this, then you turn it upside down. So on this channel, we don't just teach you how to prepare your meal, but we also teach you how to garnish it and make it look presentable. So here we decided to serve ours with berries because we feel berries make everything looks beautiful. But you can use any fruit of your choice if you don't have berries. And pancakes are versatile. You can decide to eat it with icing sugar. You can choose pancake syrup, chocolate syrup, whipping cream, strawberry syrup, like whatever is available to you. So we decided to demonstrate a few for you to see. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because we want you to be a part of our beautiful foodie family. So do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Also, if you've learned this new recipe, share with your friends and family so they can also learn too, and also leave a comment. Let us know if you try this recipe or you're going to try it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.